Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about 10 money secrets that school didn't teach us. That's 10 money secrets that school didn't teach us. If you watch until the end of the video, I'm going to give you 5 bonus money secrets that school didn't teach us. That's 5 bonus money secrets that school didn't teach us. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, help us reach more audience. And I want you to know that I really appreciate you for watching this video. The first money secret that schools don't teach us is that money is tied to value. Schools continue to program us into thinking that you have to work hard in order to earn more money. You have to work more hours. You have to do more shifts in order to earn more money. As business leaders across the world know, money flows to where solutions are being provided. Money flows to where value is created. As the great Jim Rohn used to say, work more on yourself than you do at your job. Work more into developing skills so that you can learn how to provide more value to your companies, to your customers, so that you can earn more money within the same period of time. So money is tied to value. Learn how to create value. Learn how to come up with different solutions. Learn how to improve your skills so that you can provide more value within the same period of time and then earn more money through value exchange. The second money secret that schools don't teach us is that mentorship is vital for financial success. Teachers only provide theoretical education, while mentors provide specific knowledge based on their experience. Learning from experience always beats trial and error. A mentor's wisdom can help you avoid costly mistakes. Mentors can give you connections that give you opportunities that help you build networks that will allow you to be in certain rooms, to allow you to actually attain certain opportunities that you will never ever get anywhere in your life. So it's important for you to actually build a team of mentors in your respective field so that they can help you, guide you into attaining your goals. The third money secret that schools don't teach us is that emergency funds provide stability. Life is unpredictable. Today you're working in cybersecurity, tomorrow you don't have a job. Today life is running smoothly, tomorrow there's COVID-19. School only teaches us how to be good earners. They don't teach us how to come up with financial safety nets that can help us against crisis into the future. Having cash prevents you from getting into debt traps, paying for unforeseen or borrowing money for unforeseen emergency, therefore tying your life into years and years and years of payments. Come up with at least 6 months to 1 year of emergency funds that can actually take care of you without you having to work for those 6 months to 1 year of time. The fourth money secret that schools don't teach us is that money invested grows faster than money saved. This is all about inflation. What is inflation, you ask? Let's give a real life example. Let's say 10 years ago, you were able to buy 1 loaf of bread for €1. And let's say that for the last 10 years, you saved €10. Now, the price of bread today is €2. 10 years ago, you were able to buy 10 loaves of bread with €10. Now, your €10 that you've saved for the last 10 years can only afford 5 loaves of bread. What does it mean? Your spending power has went down. Had you invested that money into the stock market or into gold or other asset classes, that money would have multiplied, allowing you to buy more loaves of bread today. Now, the rich multiply their money by investing it so that in the long run, that money can actually multiply, become more, and have more spending power. Now, schools don't actually teach us this in detail. They don't specifically teach us this so that we can learn how to actually put our money into assets that can grow our money, multiply our money, and then hedge against inflation. The fifth money secret that schools don't teach us is that multiple streams of income are key to wealth. You have only one job, you have only one stream of income. That is absolutely dangerous. Wealthy people diversify their income streams, whether it be into different businesses, into real estate, into the stock market, or other different asset classes. Wealthy people diversify their income streams. More income streams equals financial freedom. I would suggest to you that you have minimum 6 income streams. Study or do research about how to actually invest into different asset classes, which allows you to create passive income and allowing you to have different income streams. The sixth money secret that schools don't teach us is that income is not the same as wealth. It's important to make this distinction because schools want us to focus on paychecks as opposed to building wealth. Wealth is what's going to sustain you for the rest of your life if you never had to work again. Wealthy people invest into different assets that are going to sustain them for the rest of their life without having them to actively work for paychecks. Imagine a highly paid doctor who has to work for that paycheck. If they don't invest into different assets, they never get to build wealth that's going to sustain them for the rest of their life. That means that they are going to need to work for the rest of their lives. The seventh money secret that schools don't teach you is understanding assets versus liabilities. Schools don't teach financial priorities. They don't teach that it's important for you to acquire assets before spending money on liabilities. Assets are what put money into your pocket. These are businesses, real estate, or even the stock market. These are all going to put money back into your pocket. But liabilities, however, take money out of your pocket. These are luxury items, watches, luxury cars. These are all items that take money out of your pocket. Wealthy people spend money or invest money into assets before spending money into liabilities. The eighth money secret that schools don't teach you is the discipline of spending below your means. Having a high income salary is useless if you're going to overspend. Financial freedom comes from smart spending. Rich people prioritize assets over lifestyle. Stop trying to impress people by buying expensive things that you don't need. Focus on wealth building, focus on acquiring assets. The ninth money secret that schools won't teach you is that budgeting is non-negotiable. Budgeting is nothing but keeping track of the money that comes in and outside of your account. It's accounting for every penny that you have that you're about to spend. This gives you a clear plan and helps you to prioritize where you invest your money, where you spend your money, and how you use your money. Wealthy people keep track of every single penny. The 10th money secret that schools don't teach us is about health and life insurance. Why is it that when a wealthy family member passes on, they get to collect a lot of money from health insurances? However, when a poor family member passes on, they get to go to the funeral, dance, sing, and eat a lot of food, and go back to the same poverty. How do wealthy family members use life insurance as a way to preserve and estate building? These are questions that we have to ask ourselves, and these are some of the things that schools don't teach us. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and let us know what you think.